Hey friends, I'm going to show you how to measure how much sugar is in maple sap. So I have this little device. This is called a hydrometer. It's made of glass and it has a little bunch of numbers on the inside. And a hydrometer is used to measure the density of something in a liquid. So in this case, we're measuring how much sugar is in maple sap, and it has a bunch of numbers on here. And this tells me how much sugar is in my sap as a percentage. So 1, 2, 3, 4 means either 1, 2, 3, or 4% sugar in the liquid. So in this case, I've got two containers. This one has just water from my faucet over there. And then this one has some of the sap we just collected. So you can see it's got a little bit of sap on the inside. So water has, well, should have about 0% sugar. So this floats, the hydrometer floats on the inside of the liquid. And so the more sugar inside, it would actually push the hydrometer up, out. But in this case, there is no sugar in water. As you can see, it's at 0. I don't know if you can read that. But trust me, it's at 0. Now, I'm gonna take this off. Take this out real quick, dry it off. Give it a little rinse. Lay it down, and I'm going to put this in, probably make a little mess here. Ooh, just at the top. And I'm gonna measure how much sugar is in the sap we collected. Now you can see that's not at 0, so that means there is some sugar in here. It's right at about 1. You see that, friends? It's right, maybe a little bit above 1, but I'm gonna call that 1. So that means there is 1% sugar. So out of every 100 pieces of sap, if you think of them as pieces, there is 1 of those that is pure sugar. Now, when we make maple syrup, we're taking it from this at 1% to about 66%. We're not taking it to 100 because that would be pure sugar. So that is a little calculation, little video on how to measure the sugar content of sap.